Good morning, happy crafters, and welcome to September. So I've been part of the Junk Journal Community Chat Room UK for a while now, and I signed up to become a member of the design team. Unfortunately, life at home has been a bit manic, so this is going to be my first ever project using Be Happy Stationery's digitals. So I just wanted to run through the digital that I'm going to use for this month's project. So here we go. It's all about the sunflowers. So I don't know if you can see this, but look at these gorgeous colours in this sunflower. I printed this on 80 GSM white copy paper, and I used a normal setting, so I didn't go for a quality print. And on the back of all of these, I've actually also printed off a digital design that I myself created, and it's sort of coffee or tea, I can't really remember, background. So I've done that on each of these sheets. I've not printed off the entire digital collection because I'm only going to be using a few of these. So I'm just going to quickly run through the designs that I'm using for this project. And while I'm showing you these, please do have a look over on Be Happy Stationery on Ko-fi, Be Happy Stationery marking occasions on Instagram, or Be Happy Stationery on Facebook. And here are some postcards that were designed. And again, just look at those colours. And again, I've used my own digital design on the back. Now, these are a selection of tags, journal card. There's a disc here. You could use it as a tuck spot. You could probably die cut it out or use your scissors to cut a load of them out and then make into an actual flower. And this one I've done on slightly heavier, but I will back it onto card. So I've left the back just white. By the way, my name's Anne-Marie, also known as All Things Paper by AM. You will see me talking with my hands a lot because that's what I do, and you will have to bear with me because this is my first ever video. So I'm going to shoot off now, and I will be back with a completed project flip through. Thanks for watching.